guys, today this video is by Kai Kyoko. Today I'm going to show you I solved a Rubik's Cube already. Here is it. But wait, I noticed something. What? This part is not connected. So what should I do? Comments below what should I do. Okay. Today I'm going to show you this incredible mistake when you solve a Rubik's Cube. Some of them you go and bring it to your friends and then they solve. Then they don't let you see, of course. They will just twist this part. Then my brother go and twist this guy here. So now I'm getting twisted back. Look. Ready? It's quite hard in the first beginning. Yeah. Ooh, my hands hurt. Now it's all correct. Please do not do that when it's scrambled. Otherwise, you don't know. This is the part that I twist. I'm going to twist it back the correct way. Nah, there is the correct way. So today is about this Rubik's Cube get twist. So when your friend say, "Give me that," and then you scramble it, and then if they say, "I don't let you see," please tell them, "I have to see. If you twist, I'm getting push you in the swimming pool." Try to tell your friends that when they usually come to your house. But if you do it the wrong way, it's like if it's like this Rubik's Cube. Now again, don't let you see what I'm doing. Okay, I just twist. You guess which part is twist? Yellow, orange, green, white, blue, or red. Okay? If I say the colors wrongly, you can just comment below that I said wrongly. It's fine. I'm still a child, of course. I'm still a kid, and then I just solve. Oh, of course you see that. It's been twisted. So sometimes when you solve, see, it looks really complicated, but now it's here. I still remember there's one video. A person go and this part, it came out, and then you know what he do? Put the keychain 3x3. Do you know what's the keychain 3x3? You go to Isetan, you can see already. You come out the lift, you already can see the keychain. So this part came out, and then the person go and put it here in this missing spot. But it didn't stick there. It fell off. So try to don't do all this crazy stuff. Else you spoil your Rubik's Cube. And this is from CE. You can see it on the screen now. Today I bought this brand CE Mega Mix. Soon I'll tell you when it comes. I hope you subscribe, like, and ring the bell. Goodbye.